Can a brand just wake up and claim that our brand is true and other brands are fake? This is what basically happened in Patanjali Chyawanprash ads. But here is the twist. Patanjali Chyawanprash actually tried to launch this ad as a marketing gimmick, but they ended up in court and ultimately they had to remove their misleading ads. In this video, we are going to discuss Patanjali Chyawanprash versus Dabur Chyawanprash and what was the court's ruling. Through this case law, we are going to learn that how you should not be posting a misleading ads. Myself Rohini, your corporate lawyer from Intelligensia law firm. Patanjali, a brand which is known for FMCG products, actually launched one new product called Special Chyawanprash. Patanjali, along with this new product of Special Chyawanprash, launched an ad stating that we are launching the true Ayurvedic product. They were claiming that their product is true because they were using nearly 54 herbs, whereas other competitors in the market were using only 40 herbs for this Chyawanprash. Here we need to understand what is Chyawanprash. Chyawanprash is actually an Ayurvedic recipe which is used for medicinal purposes. This Ayurvedic recipe is actually written in scriptures and it is regulated by government, and any people who wanted to develop this Chyawanprash or sell it as a product can use these 40 herbs and they can sell it in the market. Now here comes the Dabur, who is actually having a Dabur Chyawanprash, and they are dominating this Ayurvedic products with 60% of the market share. And they are also selling this brand which is Chyawanprash, and it is highly popular. Now when Patanjali launched this ad claiming that we are the true Ayurvedic product and also stating that others are selling fake products, this actually misled the customers and caused confusion. Now though it was a marketing gimmick, this led to them in the court. Dabur Chyawanprash did not leave Patanjali. They actually filed a case against them in the court and argued that we as Dabur company manufacturing is Chyawanprash for so many years, following the rules regulated by the government, and as per the government rules, this Ayurvedic recipe requires only 40 herbs. And we are using all the 40 herbs and preparing this recipe, whereas Patanjali, which has also created this Chyawanprash brand, are using more than 40 herbs and claiming that they are true and we are fake is completely misleading. The regulation which is given by government has been followed by Dabur and also other manufacturers in market. We are following the regulations and we have given the product. This is not fake. This is a true product, but whereas the ad of Patanjali was claiming that they are true and others are fake is completely misleading the market, and this will affect our customers. This will affect the trust and integrity they have it in the market. So now what the court did is they listened to the Dabur and they stated that Patanjali has to stop posting this ad. The court actually said that adding a few herbs to the existing Ayurvedic recipe and trying to say that they are the true Ayurvedic product and others are fake could be considered as unfair, and this unfair ad should be stopped from posting it to the public. Here is the 3 important lessons which you should learn as a brand owners. Number 1, don't confuse the customers. In order to promote one's own brand, one cannot claim that we are 100% true and others are fake. This will lead to a customer confusion. Number 2, respect the category. When it comes to Ayurvedic medicines, food or any health related supplements, the customer requires the trust and we cannot make our own rules when we are launching our product. Number 3, healthy competition is actually okay, but you should not be unfairly attacking your competitors. When we are trying to promote our product, we should not use it as a marketing gimmick. Actually, we should be promoting our product with the trust on our brand. So now, whenever you're going to see an ad, if anybody claims that we are real and they are fake, then you should just see whether they are using it as a marketing gimmick. Have you seen any other brands which has comparisons, which has claimed that they are very less? Like I remember seeing Horlicks and Boost had a fight in the ads. In the same way, there are more brands who have been fighting like this. If you know any of the previous brands like that, post it in the comment box. We will see to it. Like this, more interesting video will be posted in our channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Myself Rohini, your corporate lawyer from Intelligensia law firm.